Hey everybody!
Hit that switch. Gotta pull it up for the niggas I miss. Yeah.
Welcome back to the Gamyla Laneé channel A. So today, I'm gonna be cooking chicken, broccoli, and mashed potatoes. Hopefully this come out good, because if it don't, I'm still gonna post it because, you know, content. So, this is the chicken we gonna be using. Great value, Walmart brand. Chicken thighs. This the broccoli. And, hold on. And these are the mashed potatoes. Idaho. Well, first, I gotta unthaw the chicken. That's the first thing. Hold on. These chickens is big, okay? These some big old thighs. I'm just gonna make one, because I ain't even gonna eat all that anyway. I'm just taking one and putting it in a Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna put in this little container. So, what I about to say? Sorry, I'm trying to close this bag. Yes, I'm gonna let it unthaw, and I'm gonna put the rest of these chickens back in the freezer, and then I'm gonna clean out this stove, so y'all won't talk about me.
Yeah, I'm outside at AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Settle forever. Ooh, I swear it feels like this is as good as it gets. Get out of here, I swear I'm dreaming by a better life. I wanna be rich. Don't see nothing wrong with wanting more. I wanna be rich. You gotta be rich. I wanna be me. Oh. Today gon' be a good day. Today gon' be a good day. I'ma wake up and I'ma get I'ma
We're gonna pour 1/2. Okay, so the thing said, since I don't know what no freaking 3/4 cups at, I looked it up and it said 1/1/2 cup, and then 1/4 cup. So cutting the air fryer, heating it up to 400 degrees. Girl, is you okay? Okay, so I'm gonna use this same bowl that I was, throwing out the chicken in. Ugh, I hate to cook chicken. I don't be liking them little flabby pieces, so. Alright. I think I might have to put some more potatoes in there. But that's supposed to stand or whatever. Okay, so these is the 3 seasonings I'm finna be using. My mom, she be using all kind of seasoning, so I don't really know what seasoning she really be using. Garlic salt, this, and then I be using this. So I mean, it ain't that much chicken. Oh, what the hell? I ain't even cleaned the cup out with no vinegar. You about to use this apple cider vinegar to clean this chicken. It's gonna be stinking really bad, but so we did that. This here. Girl. I want it to be too seasoning and stuff, so. Oh. Okay. So let's move on to the broccoli. So now I'm going to put the water in this right here because I haven't cooked the broccoli yet. Seasoning of your choice.
This is so wrong. It just turns them into the...
Okay, so everything is turning out a little bit better. Shut up! I might cook my broccoli a little longer because I like my broccoli to be soft, like real soft. So yeah, the mashed potatoes, they wasn't rice because I didn't put enough potato in there. So yeah, that's why. So this was kind of partially a little fail. Let me show y'all what this chicken looking like. I'm low-key getting discouraged. My first time, and clearly I put too much water, and that's why it wasn't rising in the first place. Yeah. Like, this video was literally all over the place because I didn't have no type of order that I was doing everything in. I should have just cooked the broccoli first, like how I originally cooked my broccoli when I'm making food. Baby, I'm up here filming a YouTube video of me cooking. So I made broccoli and I made some chicken and then some mashed potatoes. Oh, no. Look at this chicken.
What chicken is that?
It's a thigh.
From what?
Out the freezer. Now I gotta see how it's gonna taste.
You only made one?
Yeah, because I was scared. You want a piece?
She's been cooking fast for herself.
Oh, I made a whole bunch of potatoes though.
I don't want no damn potato.
Them
Who the hell is just gonna eat some potatoes? I just came from working out. I need meat.
Okay, you want to eat my chicken then?
No. Excuse me, Lola Bola. No, what you looking for? Oh, my bad. My bad, home girl. What spoon you use for the mashed potatoes?
A plastic spoon.
Oh, what they call you?
Okay, mashed potatoes ain't bad. The mashed potatoes ain't bad. Oh!
Don't be sorry, old big gut.
Don't be sorry, OBJ. Thanks for watching. Even though I embarrassed myself,
What you do?
I was embarrassed. Oh.